Hi guys, welcome back. It's time for another morning meeting or daily calendar. Let's begin. Today is Friday. Friday's my favorite. Friday. The date is 7/10/20 or July 10th, 2020. The day of home learning is 69. So, what is in the tens place? 6. What is in the ones place? 9. And as usual, I accidentally erased one of my numbers when we were doing that. Okay. Today we're going to skip count. Ooh, if I can write it, by 2. Okay. So, you all know your 2s, so just count with me and we're going to do it by snapping. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 2s are fun to count by because they're very easy to remember and they seem to have a nice rhythm. All right, today's money was we're looking to make $17.50. So to begin, what could be our first dollar? We need 4 different types of dollars and 2 coins. So 20 is the largest dollar we have. Does 20 go into 17? No. But 10 does, and that's the next largest. So we're going to get our handy dandy 100 chart, take our 17, subtract 10. That means we're counting up, and you have 7. Okay, well 10 can't go into 7. But the next one can, which is a 5. Okay. Take this chart. We're at 7. Let's subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 2 left. Well, we know that can't be a 5, so if we have 1, then we have 1 left, so we have 1. So you would need 1 10, 1 5, and 2 1s to make 17. Okay, now the other one. The largest coin that we work with is a quarter. So we know a quarter, which is 25, can go into 50. If I can't write a quarter backwards. There we go. Okay. So let's do our handy dandy 100 chart and find out what's left. So we're at 50. We're going to count up 20. 1, 2. Now over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25. Well, we just said a quarter's worth 25, and we have another 25, so that's definitely a quarter. I think that went well. Okay. Now, I wanted to show you the quarter I have because they changed up the quarters so that this is still the face in the front, but some of them have this on the back. And if you see something like that, sometimes you can read to see what it says, but lately they haven't been putting the value on the back, which makes it a little confusing. So if I ever get a coin that looks like this on the back, and I don't remember what size it is, I'll always turn it over, because it'll say quarter right on the front. Quarter dollar is 1/4 of a dollar, and a dollar is worth 100, and 1/4 of 100 is 25. That's where the value comes from. So you now know that 4 quarters equals 100 or $1. All right, time. I set up the time. This thing hates me. So that the little hand is between the 1 and the 2, and the big hand is on the 6. So let's count those minutes first. Always start with the minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So it's half an hour. Okay. Now, this hand is between the 1 and the 2. It's about halfway past the 1. Just kind of like it's halfway around the clock for the minute hand. So that means you just want to go above that hand, and it's a 1. So it's 1:30. There we go. All right, on to the weather. It is very humid today. Oh, it was hot there a lot last night. I was having a rough time trying to get to sleep, but we made it. I've slept okay, not as well as I would like to, so I might yawn a few times on everybody. It's not your fault, it's mine. But it is supposed to be a little bit cooler today than it was yesterday. It's supposed to. We are supposed to have some showers off and on. I don't know if they're going to actually continue. I can check to see what my watch says, if it'll let me. Okay. Yeah, it still says that it's going to have thunder showers later. Oh. Now, right now, it is warm but comfortable. Luckily, the later is until 4 p.m. It's warm but comfortable. A little hazy or cloudy. I would say that it's going to get warm again. Not happy warm, but not exceedingly uncomfortable warm either. So, you'd be fine with short sleeves shirts and shorts or a nice dress. I think you could play outside and get wet today and it wouldn't be too much of a problem because it's not supposed to rain till later, but that depends on you. I don't recommend going for a swim after 2 o'clock because that's when the showers are going to be more close and they're going to be thunder showers, which means lightning, and it is not safe to swim in water when there's lightning, just so you know. So, what do you guys think the weather is? You ready for the guess? Right now, where I am, the temperature, that's what I meant to say, is 76. But it is going to get up to 84. So it's going to be a comfortable summer day. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Now, Fridays are hat days. So I grabbed this hat, which is my favorite hat of all time. This was my grandfather's hat. And I was lucky that my grandfather has a small head like I do. He got this from England. It's got a bill and an old-fashioned clasp. It has a silk or satin lining. I think this one's actually silk. And it's made of wool. So it's not really a hat you'd wear in the summer. But I call it my Newsie hat. What do you think? Is it me or what? Like I said, my favorite hat. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Have a great day.